such thing as having too many cameras. I've got my drone in my backpack, my new camera with the zoom, my GoPro, my phone. Gosh, this is breathtaking. So breathtaking. Poor Molly Mel drone is struggling out there in that wind. It's not too bad here, but yeah, out over the water offshore. It's a bit more hectic, but gee, these cliff faces are unbelievable. So amazing to see. I'd love to take this moment to read to you a very famous poem called My Country by Dorothea McKellar. And most of you probably know it, but it just really resonates with me in this moment on how I was feeling about Australia and its various landscapes. The love of field and coppice, of green and shaded lanes, of ordered woods and gardens, is running in your veins. Strong love of grey-blue distance, brown streams and soft dim skies. I know but cannot share it, my love is otherwise. I love a sunburnt country, a land of sweeping plains, of ragged mountain ranges or droughts and flooding rains. I love her far horizons, I love her jewel sea, her beauty and her terror, the wide brown land for me. A stark white ring-barked forest, all tragic to the moon, the sapphire-misted mountains, the hot gold hush of noon, green tangle of the brushes where the Lithianus coil, and orchids deck the treetops and the ferns warm dark soil. Core of my heart, my country. Her pitiless blue sky, when sick at heart around us we see the cattle die. But then the grey clouds gather and we can bless again the drumming of an army, the steady soaking rain. Core of my heart, my country, land of the rainbow gold, for flood and fire and famine she pays us back threefold. Over the thirsty paddocks, watch after many days, the filmy veil of greenness that thickens as we gaze. An opal-hearted country, a wilful lavish land, all you who have not loved her will not understand. Though earth holds many splendours, wherever I may die, I know to what brown country my homing thoughts will fly.
On the road, I've been away for far too long, but now I'm on my way back home. I hear the west winds calling out my name. They telling me to head your way, down your road and past your gates. Keep your eyes on the horizon. I was looking to belong when I'd already found my home. Won't be long, I'm there before the setting sun, for you to fall into my arms, a place I call my home. I was looking to belong when I already found my home.
So I've obviously been, traipsing through rainforest and just these lush green areas over the last few months, 7 months. I think I've been away from home for 7 months. So yeah, we're back in this sort of arid landscape now, but gee, I'm just sitting here listening to a bit of Xavier Rudd, and I just love Australia. I just love Australia. Like, this is so spectacular. It's so beautiful. No matter where you go, there is beauty to be found. It feels really good to be back on the road, actually, and out in these open spaces. And I am really looking forward to getting home now. I've had such an amazing time on the East Coast, but I've really missed these big, vast, wide open spaces. But yeah, how beautiful is this? I'm exhausted. I have been on the go since 6 a.m. It's now 10 to 6. I've driven from, where was I? Torquay in Victoria. And I don't know, am I still in Victoria? I don't know. I'm in somewhere on my way. Yeah, you know where I am. But we've come to the Grotto now. So I keep driving along, and the coastal cliff edges are just spectacular. So here we go again. We're going to go and look at the Grotto now. That was 100% worth the stop. My goodness. Wow. I wish I had gotten to that first thing in the morning, because that would have been awesome it was kind of like an infinity pool. It would have been amazing to actually go in that water and just sit there and experience the swell. It was so like different. Like, yeah, on the exterior of that grotto bit, you had like this massive swell, and then it was just dead flat calm on that in the little grove area. Oh, magic. Thanks so much for watching that video. If you haven't met me before, my name is Christy. I live, work and travel Australia in my van Gypsy. I am an artist, and my artwork is available as prints or on t-shirts and bags on my website. The link is in my bio.